Hi, this is my second attempt at using a single line receiver with the CopterX CX-2000. In my last video I tried to do this using a satellite receiver from Spectrum and a DX6, which didn't work out. I've been in contact with eHerobo.com and they said they contacted the manufacturer and would get back to me, but I haven't heard anything since. But they do, however, confirm that the setup with SBUS should work. So I got some new things on the mail today. This is the SBUS cable for the gyro. This has a JR plug on one end and a Futaba plug on the other end. Which is intuitive enough, and in the middle there is something encapsulated. If you look closely, you can see that there's some form of circuit board in there. This is a budget helicopter. I will be using budget components, so I won't be using a Futaba receiver. I'll be using this Corona SBUS receiver, which is compatible with Futaba fast. So I will plug this up to replace the receiver I had before in this, which you can see here. Oops. This is one of the receivers I got with a Spectrum radio, actually. It's a Parkflyer receiver. You can see all the cabling that comes out here. Hopefully we can replace this with the Corona and only have one wire going from the receiver to the gyro. Okay, so now I set this up and it actually works. The manual is actually wrong with how to connect the connectors for the SBUS. The manual says that you should connect it to rudder, I think, which is wrong. That doesn't work. You have to connect it to the uppermost connector that says CX-SBUS. As you can see, it's connected. Green light here. If I move my sticks, you can see everything does what it should. Like that. One other problem that I had with this was to connect the CopterX software to the gyro. This did not work when I had the Futaba receiver, the SBUS receiver, connected to the gyro. Instead I had to reconnect one of the wires from the old receiver, the conventional receiver, and move this connector, which comes from the ESC, back to that receiver. And then the gyro would boot as it should, and it will connect with the software. And then I could change the receiver type in the software settings, in the setup procedure in the software. After that, everything works as it should.